portal. Dead ahead. It didn't work.
So my water idea's a bust. What do you got, Zoom?
Nothing. That was my idea, too.
If I drink any more water, I'll grow gills.
You lot are going about it all wrong, as usual. All right, Mr. Smarty Rich Pants, how are you going to get rid of Agura's hiccups?
Have you guys seen Spinner? I was going to teach him how to use the new targeting system on the Buster, but he skipped out.
I saw him in the...
I'll check the games room. Thanks.
Okay, you want to get rid of those hiccups? Hop on one leg. Flap your arms. And crow like a rooster.
Huh?
Now, do that for 6 hours and you'll be hiccup-free. That doesn't work, does it? Not at all.
Well, it didn't work. And neither did the flapping chicken arm. Spinner's only chance. No problem. Let's just fix this beast so we can get him back.
Right about now, he'd be bugging me about something.
We going in cloaked?
That's right. And we'll need radio silence. Okay, Ms. Hiccups?
You think it's an ambush? Hey, Zoom! Will you pass me that wrench?
Oh, now where did I put that amulet? Oh.
Didn't you hear the boss calling you?
I don't care. Who called me? I've got the hiccups, and I'm not going anywhere until I find my amulet.
Where's Apparitia?
Oh, on second thought, maybe I'd better get up there fast. Come in, your madness!
Didn't Bratterat tell you I wanted you?
No,
Yes, I did.
you didn't.
I did too. And if you want to get rid of the hiccups, drink water. No, no, no. Hold your breath and count to 10.
I've tried them all. The only thing that works is my amulet.
Like the one around your neck?
No, wonder I couldn't find it.
Enough about hiccups. I have an important job for you. I want you to haunt a new amusement park.
Oh, an amusement park? Oh, honey, you're joking.
Don't honey me. I never joke. When I finish, Ghost Park will go down in history. I thought the amulet cured your hiccups.
Oh, I forgot to rub it. Here come those hiccups again.
This is no fun, lady. Take me back to the Ghostbusters. Hey, what's that?
This gets rid of my hiccups.
Really? Sounds like magic. Can I see it up close?
It's not a toy.
Now it is.
Give that back to me! Come back here!
Come out of there! This kid is strong. He's in here, Apparitia!
And you are strong enough to open that door?
Okay, Apparitia. Let's see how strong you are.
Step aside, Weasel! I'll open that door with one finger! After him, you fool! Give that to me. Corky! Where are you? Who is that?
I told you that kid that look like trouble?
He came this way.
There he is!
That belongs to me. That little toy doesn't stand a chance against me and my magic amulet.
Don't worry, Jessica. Yeah, I can handle this.
My way is safer.
This amulet's no good anymore.
Now's my chance.
It won't be that easy. Chump. Now it's my turn.
Oh, hi, Apparitia. Bye, Apparitia.
Look at that phony octopus!
Ooh, phony? Well, I'll show you. My hiccups are ruining my magic!
Eddie! Jake! Help! I'm lost!
Ooh, it's that rat. He's to blame for this. Who are you? Big ape!
Your magic seems to have backfired.
What are you talking about?
Take a look at yourself.
My nose! Oh, I made a mistake in the spell.
Oh, I think I will. Have some pepper.
No!